Alright, so today we're printing bottles, and the first thing we have to do is mix the ink. So this amount of ink is enough for about 200 bottles. So this can costs about $200, but it'll do thousands, probably 30,000 bottles. Okay, so for that ink to dry the bottle, you need a catalyst. So that's what this is, the catalyst. That'll harden it. The next thing you have to add, so it doesn't dry too fast, is something to retard the drying, the catalyst. So this is a retarder that I'm adding. And so I'm going to mix all that up, and then we're going to start printing. All right, so that's ready to go. Let me focus this. All right, guys, let's print bottles. So in earlier videos, I show how to make this printer. I'd redo that, yeah. Now what's really cool about printing bottles is if you make a mistake, you can wipe it off. There's something on the bottom of the screen, hold on. Sometimes the bottles are they don't fit down, and I can't print on them. There we go. That one doesn't fit. Put it aside. Once you get a rhythm, you can print them pretty fast. out.